Hello there everyone, and welcome to Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious side dish using asparagus. So asparagus is one of those vegetables that I think is a little bit underrated. Some people have had a bad experience with asparagus, especially if you've ever eaten it from a can. Canned asparagus is not good, just saying. But fresh asparagus is completely different. And asparagus is very healthy for you. It is loaded with vitamins and minerals. It is rich in folic acid, and it's even said to help with weight loss. Now today I'm going to be sauteing my asparagus. It's a garlic Parmesan asparagus, but there are many ways to cook it. You can grill it, you can oven roast it. Asparagus is so good. And here's a little tip for you. When you get your asparagus, place it in a cup of water, and that will keep your asparagus fresher longer. All right, so now let me just show you how to make this delicious garlic Parmesan asparagus. So I'm just going to be using some lemon juice, butter, some garlic, and some Parmesan cheese. So when cooking asparagus, the bottom part of the stem can be fibrous and kind of tough to eat. And the top part is tender, and that's the good part of the asparagus. So what I like to do is I just kind of bend it until it naturally snaps. And that kind of lets me know that this is the part I'm going to throw away and this is the part I'm going to keep. Now I'm not going to go through and snap every single one of these asparagus stems. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it. And I'm just going to cut off the last, maybe a fourth or so of the stem. So I'm going to turn the fire on underneath of a large skillet, turning the heat to a medium, and I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of butter. And into this butter, I'm going to mince 2 garlic cloves. And then I'm just going to place my asparagus inside of this butter and garlic. I'm going to add some salt and some black pepper. And I'm also going to juice some lemon. Just about 1 or 2 tablespoons is all we need. And I'm just going to let this saute until this asparagus is nice and tender. I'm going to go ahead and add another tablespoon of butter. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some fresh Parmesan and sprinkle all over top. Oh, yum. So I have to add a little bit more Parmesan over top of this asparagus. I'm not sure you can get too much Parmesan, just saying. All right guys, I'm gonna have to go in here with my fingers. Get me a piece. Oh yes. That lemon and garlic and Parmesan is perfect on this asparagus. It's finger looking good, just saying. This is a wonderful side dish that would be great with steak or chicken, fish, pasta. It just goes with so many things. I hope that you give this one a try. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a spectacular day. And as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.